we are leaving to a place called Dong Hoi at the ocean. And well, there's not so many buses. We have this medium-sized bus, and but there's lots of people moving their merchandise. Google Translate to communicate with these people, but Google Translate is not so good. So it's like it's almost 10 o'clock, and you know I keep asking them with the Google Translate what time will we be there, and they keep saying 3 o'clock. That would be like more than 5 hours. I think it could be a 3-hour journey. Let's see. This is that there's lots of rice here from Thailand, which is kind of strange because you think they have their own rice, right? Rice paddies, Vietnam. I'm not gonna show the whole journey, just maybe bits and pieces, and then I want to show you the new town. All right, so see you a bit later. Yeah, country people, right? A bit of food for the journey, so we have a bunch of eggs and some really good baguettes. I mean, much better than in Laos. So but we have to eat these away, so they're not in the way. So yeah, by the way, we are used to eating lots of eggs. Cholesterol is propaganda. Lots of eggs are very good for you, so you eat lots of eggs. Anyway, that is the hotel we just left. It's actually a good hotel. Sepon Hotel in Lao Bao. If you're ever stuck here, it's actually a nice place. Actually pick up people from their homes. He also asked me, I think, that he can bring us. He will bring us to our whatever the address in Dong Hoi, which we don't have. We don't even have a hotel. We have nothing. So this is probably not like the regular journey, which is actually, I don't know. Is it an interesting journey? It is an interesting journey. We're coming from a border town into like the circuit along the coast. So the place is on the coast. It's at the ocean. And I think there's even a beach. Well, let's see. Oh wow, that's quite a language. You Hmong. Are they Hmong people? I'm not sure. Communicate with anybody. Not even using Google Translate. So we left Lao Bao, and it's quite cool out here. Alrighty, so this is the baguette I was talking about, and here is condensed milk, which we poured into a cup, into a bottle, because it's kind of like easier to travel with. Anyway, so and then you have your condensed milk sandwich. Which is totally fantastic. This is very good. Very good bread. I mean, not much benefits, nutritional benefits, but I just had 6 eggs for breakfast. So, that's alright. Guys, I have to point this out one more time. This is the best food in the world. A fresh baguette with condensed milk. Condensed milk sandwich is the best thing ever. Sorry to say that. Ah, she has chicken in the bag. Chicken. Dong Hoi này. Dong Hoi? No, Dong Hoi. I think they're getting out now. They are just in here like for half an hour. Oh, did we already travel for like an hour? No, half an hour. Yeah. So they get off half an hour. Vietnam is like, it's pretty cool. I mean, everything is like, looks cool. I don't know, you know, maybe now there's nothing really cool. But see, I mean, the street there, and even the language is cool. Of course, I don't understand a single word. And the language, like the written language is cool. The oral language, the audio language is cool. Yeah, it's good. Passing the river.
Đầy đủ. Nhà cửa đàng hoàng. Nhà cửa có rồi vào xe có rồi.
Oh wow, that's nice. It's actually a very nice journey, and like that river is very nice, and the whole landscape is like a dream. So I'm very happy that we came to Vietnam, and I think, yeah, it will not only be this time. But anyway, maybe I'll show you a little bit. The main thing that interests me is that Dong Hoi, that place we are going to. But anyway, so let's look out a bit and then check out that town or whatever. landscape is very nice, very easy on the eye. It's a fantastic journey. So what is happening over there? It looks like it's smoke. Is there a village on fire? No idea. Maybe there's a plant or something. Oh, this is like an army base. Just saw them training. Didn't pay enough. Ah, there's more rice fields with scarecrows on there too. That's pretty cool. There's a temple in the middle, or whatever it is. That guy smoking. He just came in from outside smoking a cigarette. Too much for Vietnamese smoking laws or non-smoking laws. Được. I think that's going to be. Oh. Wow. These are funny people. You got a helmet. Very good. Kind of like this country. You gotta like it. Unless you hate smokers. Which I don't. So many like Chinese looking buildings and graveyards, temples. And here they built lots of, maybe they're gravestones, I'm not sure. But it's a fantastic first look into this country. And lots of graveyards there in the back. There. That's big graves. Very cool. Cool houses here. Kinda like. It changed. The bus brought us. Oh! So this car is gonna drive us. Alright. Thank you. So funny. So I don't know. So this bus is not going to Dong Hoi Center, but this driver here,
Dong Hoi City.
is bringing us to Dong Hoi City Center. It's a bit weird, but you know, if I didn't pay anything extra. So you speak English? No English.
No English.
Vietnamese. Vietnamese. Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Thai? No. Lao? No. Vietnamese. Chinese? Trung Hoa? Trung Hoa? No. Vietnamese. Okay. Well, that's so much for the little conversations inside the car. We're coming closer. We just passed the toll booth. It's quite a modern highway here. I'm very surprised. And well, I keep being surprised anyway. Some river that will probably lead, no, that most definitely lead into the ocean, which is not far from here. I wonder if you can see the ocean today or tomorrow.
Over there, the house. Over there, the house.
It's a cool bridge.
The whale doesn't live.
So this river will go into the ocean. There's some great bridges I've seen so far.
Look what I can do.
I think starts looking like the center of a town. Wow, check this out. It's very cool. There's even a whitey. There's a whitey boy. Ah, fop fop. There's a white family. And that's a beautiful thing. There's a white family. Oh wow. So we're here, like he lets us down. It's a very cool place here. I don't know, but yeah. Well, so we'll go find a hotel, and I'll show you, and then we'll finish the video. So we're not sure if this is like where we'll stay, but we'll stay here for a night. It's kind of like, it seems like a down-to-earth central place. You have to walk across the bridge. There's a river, and then there's the beach over there. So we'll check that out. Maybe this afternoon. There's just this hotel I just asked there, and there probably are a lot more, but I took room there. I'll show you. This is it. The Ngok Bao Hotel. Not as grand as the last hotel, but not bad. What is this? Lights. Oh, this is probably for hot water. Well, not too bad. Got a TV. There's a bunch of fans, but there's also an AC. So that floor is not the best, but it's okay. It looks like it's breaking, but it's not. So that's where our luggage goes. Oh, huh? Let's open up. Oh, huh? Well, and then it turns into a bright room. Vincent, look, this is it. Yeah, I mean, it's alright. There's a bathroom. I hope it has hot shower, I don't know. Hot water, I mean. So with view outside the window. And a little snack, banh mi. See if they're the fresh baguette. And this is banh mi thit cha. That's banh mi with meatballs, but there's no meatballs, but that's the translation. Let's have this banh mi. You want one too? Yeah, we brought you. My wife and we bought some of these famous banh mi. I'm not sure if these are good. And because we have this room, and the room is okay, but I just have the feeling that if you pay a little bit more, we get a much better room. We did find one, so tomorrow we'll change. I'll show you. We have a super fantastic room for 50,000 more, so it's still alright. Anyway, let's try this.
Be careful with the crumbs, okay?
This is good. Yeah, then you have the one that is not spicy.
One for you then.
But this is a bit spicy. There's different kinds of meats, sausages and
One for all that.
cucumber, radish, carrots, some green stuff. This is fantastic, by the way, guys. How is it, Dylan? You like it? Alrighty. Anyway, yeah, I want to show you. And anyway, so we went out for a walk. It's a fantastic place. There's a river, which is fantastic. There's also a beach. I'll make a second video, I think, because I don't want to be this one too long. So maybe I'll finish this here, and then show you the great room in the next video. Also like the town and maybe some food, right? Anyway, Dylan, you want to say bye bye, there, guys? Guys, you want to say bye bye?
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, guys. See you.